demo of machine M5119, set up for demo purposes only. And we are in automatic mode, waiting for a basket. I have stations 2 and 3 disabled because we don't have coolant or water in there. We can't use the ultrasonics. So here's a basket being added. Just a manual test. I was going to go pick up that basket, and it's going to bypass stations 2 and 3, go straight to station 4, the dryer. The hardware has been removed from the top for access, and there's no physical door. And to bypass that door switches, I've added these relays here that simulate opening and closing. So there the door would be closed. And you can see these lights will change here. This is the closed state. There's the open state. And this will drop this off at the unload station. And the next step will be going back to home position to start a new cycle. And now it's waiting for a new basket, which we don't have.